Hey everybody, your car guy, Bill DeBoer over here at DeBoer's Auto. I just wanted to make a quick video and talk to everybody about an honoree designation that we just got. So building a great business means building a great place where people love to work. We are proud to announce that we are the recipient of the 2026 NJBIZ Best Places to Work Award. This is all based on confidential feedback from them surveying our teammates here at DeBoer's and what they have talked about as far as benefits, management, leadership, work conditions, and everything that goes into building an amazing environment that people love to come into. And for that, we are very grateful to our amazing crew, not only just for the award and the support, but for keeping our community moving safely every day. Thank you guys.